Tom Parker, 33, has confirmed he will only be able to join his The Wanted bandmates on tour once he finishes receiving cancer treatment in Spain. The band's reunion tour is set to start on Thursday, but due to logistical changes Tom will have to miss the first few shows. Tom took to his Instagram to deliver the news to his 268,000 followers yesterday in a lengthy statement. In the message, Tom explained he had been rehearsing with a band via video link from Spain, where he is currently receiving treatment. The pop star shared a group photo of himself alongside his bandmates as he revealed he was gutted he could not join them sooner. He penned, "So, as most of you know, I've been out in Spain on a treatment program for the past couple of weeks. It was only meant to last 20 days, but due to a couple of logistical changes with tests and results it won't be complete until the end of the week now, which has delayed our journey home. I'm obviously gutted that I'll be missing the first few shows, but as I'm sure you will understand, I have to complete my treatment cycle. I've been zooming into rehearsals all week and I know that the show will be incredible and that my boys will hold the fort until I'm back. Can't wait to see you all very soon, hope you all enjoy the show. Much love." Tom was soon inundated with messages of support from fans and friends in the post's comments section. Bandmate Jay McGuinness said, "So ready to have you back. Take care brosif and see you on C in no time on bus." Sick, Instagram user Shanu Uni added, "Tom, please do not stress. We completely understand. Your health is far more important, take it easy. We love you and we're so proud of you." Penny Octor _penned, "Our lil Tommy P. Your health comes first always. The boys, and all of us, have got your back all the way. As long as you're okay, that's all that matters. Sending you all my love and positivity." Sick, Sundusks _typed, "Your health comes first, always. You will be so missed, but we know you'll be there with us all the way from Spain. Keep doing what you're doing and we will see you soon."